I'm Emma from Planything and I'm going to show you the Christmas time box. For me this is the most wonderful time of the year because I really love Christmas. So I'm going to show you the Christmas time box right now. I really hope you enjoy it. Hi everyone, I'm going to show you the Christmas time box. I'm really in love with this box. Christmas is my favorite time of the year. So that's the reason I really couldn't wait to show you this beautiful box. Yeah, let's start. In this box are 6 sticker sheets, 4 double-sided paper sheets, 2 skinny washi, 2 normal washi, 1 amazing planner cover, 2 gold paper clips, 1 pen and 1 sticky note. Okay, let's open it. Let's start with the paper clips. I really like them. They're really big and so Christmassy. Let's open it. They're really cute. Look how cute this looks. I really love them. And I think what's also fun with the this cardstock, you can also use it in your planner again for something, or a picture or whatever. Because it's really matched with everything. Then next, the sticky notes. As you can see, the car is coming back in more things, like also the paper, stickers and the card. I already got a lot of positive feedback on the car, that people really like the car. So I'm happy I used it a lot in the box. It's really nice sticky notes to write down all your Christmas plans. Then next, this pen. It really is a Christmas pen. I love it. Also, of course, Planything is here. It got the red gems. It's black ballpoint. I really love those pens. Then there are 4 washi tapes in this box with gingerbread, a lot of hot choco houses and snowmen and candy cane, and the skinny washi with the gifts and the Christmas tree. This is how the washi looks like on paper. I really love him. Then I'm going to show you the stickers. It are 6 stickers sheets with the candy cane and the gingerbread and these cute houses. I really love it. And of course, all the Christmas ornaments and decorations. And of course, the functional boxes. I really use them a lot, and I know you do too. Here we have the car again, and some other Christmas themed stickers for decoration. People really like the long box, so I decided to bring it back in this box too. This is really my favorite sheet with the Christmas ornaments. I really love it. I can write all my plans in it and just make it a decorative Christmas spread. If you go to the Planything Instagram, you see a lot of inspiration from other planner girls using these stickers. And the last one, some Christmas quotes, and of course Santa and a Christmas tree. Then I'm going to show you the paper sheets. They're double-sided A5 paper sheets. As you can see, this one is matching also with the washi tape. This one too. Everything is matching together, so you can have it all match up. The Christmas tree, the border with gingerbread, Christmas florals, and the gingerbread, which is also matching the washi tape and the planner cover. And we have the car again. I really love this illustration. And some Christmas candy. And then last but not least, the planner cover. I am so in love with this size. I'm using a Happy Planner Classic and a Daily Duo from Erin Condren, and they both fit in here. And I'm just love how it fits, and I just have this cover laying around everywhere because I just love it so much. Let me show you how it looks like without a planner first. So this is how it looks like. There are still some elastics here. So you can also still use it as a traveler notebook and add notebooks in here for example, your December daily, or have your planner here and have some notebooks here. And of course, you can add stuff like the stickers and the papers in here and your planner here. There's so much things you can do with it. And I'm going to show you how my planners are fitting in. See, this is my Happy Planner. As you can see, it's really fitting in here. I really love it. There's enough space, and you can use the other side. And then my Erin Condren Daily Duo, also fitting in here. You just put the cover in the pockets, and then you can close it, and you have your planner. I'm super excited about this box, and the box is available to order until October 24 or until it sells out. The boxes will be shipped between October 24 and October 30. And as you maybe also have already seen everywhere, we also have a planner advent box that I really like, and that will also fit with this box. So I know a lot of people that have subscribed or already bought the single box also having the advent boxes, and they can all go really well together. I really hope you like the box, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!